This is an emergency notice for the Anti-Blood Loan Federation. The independence of Doom is coming back soon, and it's worser than we thought. Things that could happen like Hurricane Harbor coming back, Judgment Day, harder rain, unknown possible F-19 tornadoes, and civil wars. If you're hearing this right now, this is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Immediately get to your bunkers and hide there until further notice immediately.